What is up, guys? This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous Spanish wine grape variety that is behind some of the delicious dessert sweet wines from the sherry area of Spain. So how do you go about pronouncing this with the typical Spanish pronunciation? Pedro Ximénez. Pedro Ximénez. Do insist on the middle E of Ximenez because there's an accent on it, and of course the X is not pronounced like an X. Do not say Pedro Ximénez, but rather Pedro Ximénez. It'd be fine in English or American to simply say Pedro Ximénez. Pedro Ximénez. In Spanish again, Pedro Ximénez. Pedro Ximénez dessert wines. Fantastic, intense, utterly concentrated sweet wines, beautiful wines. If you want to learn more about the Spanish wines, how to pronounce all of the difficult names from the Spanish wine world, here are many more videos that you should watch. Next, I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.